Dr. Manuel Anton, new CEO of Mercy Hospital, envisions Miami as a medical mecca, where Miamians wouldn't leave to get health care, and folks from around the globe would think of Miami when they needed it. And he wants Mercy to be an integral part of that. Over the recent years, Mercy has increased its technology and shortened its emergency room wait times, and he wants the world to know. Dr. Anton joins us for this week's profile. I'm Risa Polanski, reporting for Miami Today.
I think Mercy offers a couple of things that are very unique. And by the way, I don't think that we're alone in this and in healthcare, but I think that we are uniquely positioned. One is our tradition and strength in our caring environment. This hospital for a long time, and I think it stems back to the foundations from the Sisters of St. Joseph's, who initially developed the hospital and are still the sponsors, the environment that's been created by the people who have led the organization or worked in the organization. It's one of the few places where you walk in, and I think the reaction we get from our patients and the feedback we get is that we're a caring place. That people are not just looking at a patient as a disease or as a problem, but as a person, and a person who needs to have the whole person dealt with. So that's a strength that I think we can immediately play off. There are things that we can do from the perspective of sharing that with the community, where not all of I think all the patients that have been here know that, but a lot of the community that hasn't known Mercy isn't familiar with that yet. Secondarily, the organization historically has been known for this tradition of serving the Hispanic community, the elderly community, and so on. What I think a lot of Miami-Dade does not realize is how technologically enabled this organization is. And we've made enormous investments over the last 3 or 4 years in the technology that we can bring to the community. As examples of that, the Da Vinci robots, the cyber knife, one of only 2 of the top-rated cyber knives in Miami-Dade County, the cancer center, the robotics in orthopedics, the new system for pulmonary diagnosis, which allows us to diagnose tumors that most of the community can't see on their CAT scans and MRIs and so on. So we have all of this technology, which the community isn't really familiar with. And they see Mercy and they say, well, it's a traditional hospital, it's a community hospital, and they don't realize that it's a center of excellence in so many areas. So that's another area of strength that I need to have the hospital and our people communicate.